Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to download YouTube app on your MacBook. So how can I download? So guys, when you open App Store and search here YouTube, you can see, but YouTube app not showing on App Store on your Mac. You can see. So how can I download YouTube app? I am already downloaded YouTube app on my Mac. So how can I download? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, open Safari application and search here YouTube. So after searching YouTube and simply guys tap on file button top right corner and now add to dock, and now guys simply rename this. I am adding YouTube. Simply tap on add. Now I have already downloaded. Simply tap on replace. You can add it when you add it. So guys, basically YouTube is not officially available on App Store on your MacBook. You can download YouTube by this method on your MacBook if you are using any kind of Mac. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.